Hi guys, welcome to Websense Pro. Welcome to another basic level Elementor tutorial. The reason why we are creating this tutorial is that we are receiving a lot of comments from our subscribers, from our viewership, that how can you create a navigation link which will jump to a specific section when clicked. So basically we'll add an anchor link which will jump to a specific section in latest version of Elementor, which is as of now 3.18. So if you want to learn how to do that in your latest version of Elementor, stick to the video. Don't forget to comment on the channel on this video and subscribe to this channel so you can get notified whenever we create new videos. So without further ado, let's jump into the screen.
Hi guys, welcome back to Websense Pro. Welcome back to another tutorial on Elementor. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create anchor link on Elementor. This is a very simple tutorial that shows you how to set up Elementor anchor. Okay guys, this is just a dummy page which I have made here. You guys can see just a simple dummy page which I have made. What I'll do is I'll set up anchor link for this contact us button. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll click content here. Okay, and here you can see link and hashtag. You can add, for example, contact us here. Okay, and then don't copy the hashtag, copy the rest. Okay, and here you can see apply link on button only. Okay, so we have placed one link here. What I'll do is, for example, if I want to add the link here, when I click contact us, I want this section to be visible. Okay, so what I'll do is from the left side, click advanced here. Okay, scroll down. Here you can see CSS ID. Just paste what you have written on the link there, like this. Okay, let's click update and see if it's working or not. Okay, now let's click preview changes here. Okay, so now you guys can see that when I click here, this is visible. Let's do it one more time. When I click here, this is visible where we have linked it. Okay, I hope you like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment below.